Do you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping? Low energy, brain fog, and constant stress are becoming normal, but they don't have to be. Today, I'll share 5 simple habits that naturally improve your energy, focus, and overall health. Let's start. First, morning sunlight. Within 30 minutes of waking up, step outside for 5 to 10 minutes, even on cloudy days. Morning light tells your brain it's time to wake up. It boosts natural energy and helps you sleep better at night. No supplements, no gadgets, just light. Second, start your day with protein. If you eat only carbs for breakfast, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes your energy. Try eating protein first, eggs, yogurt, anything high in protein, then eat your carbs. This keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, and improves focus. Third, walk for 10 minutes after your biggest meal, not fast, not slow, just an easy walk. This tells your muscles to use sugar immediately instead of storing it as fat. The result? Better energy, less afternoon crashes, clearer thinking. Fourth, calm your nervous system. Scrolling all day keeps your brain in alert mode. Even when you rest, your body never truly recovers. Try this breathing trick. Breathe in for 4 seconds, then breathe out slowly for 6. Do this 5 times. Longer exhales tell your body it's safe to relax. Finally, give your brain a break in the evening. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed, dim the lights, and slow down. Small changes like this dramatically improve sleep and next-day energy. These simple habits don't cost money. They don't require extreme routines, but done daily, they completely change how you feel. If this helped, subscribe to Vitality Lab for simple daily health tips and start with just one habit today.